Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create PIN in Messenger and reset your end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code. This will help you add an extra layer of security on your encrypted chat. The code is basically required when you want to use Messenger on a new device. You'd have to enter this 6-digit chat PIN code to access your messages on Messenger. To create this PIN in Messenger, go ahead and open Messenger and then tap on the 3 horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. Beside your profile name, you will see settings. Tap on settings and then scroll till you find privacy and safety. Tap on it. And under security, you should see end-to-end encrypted chat. Tap on this. Now tap on message storage and tap on turn on secure storage. On this page, you have to choose how you'd like to access your chat history when using a new device. Now select create a 6-digit PIN and tap on continue. On the next page, enter your 6-digit chat PIN code and then enter the PIN to confirm it again. Once you've done that, your chat PIN code will be saved. You can always come back to this page if you want to reset your end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code. To do that, come to message storage again, tap on reset PIN, and then enter your new 6-digit chat PIN code. Enter it again to confirm. If you do not want the end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code when logged in on Messenger in a new device, you can come back to this page again. You'll see delete and turn off secure storage. Tap on this and then tap on continue. And this will turn off the secure storage. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to create PIN in Messengers and reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.